Do you know what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? In today's fast-paced world, finding time for comprehensive workouts can be challenging. However, dedicating just 1 minute each day to a simple exercise like the plank can yield remarkable benefits for your body and overall health. The plank is a fundamental isometric exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly efficient addition to any fitness routine. In this video, we'll share the transformative effects of committing to a daily 60-second plank, exploring 13 compelling reasons to incorporate this exercise into your daily regimen. Number 1. Enhanced core strength. The plank primarily targets the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. By holding the plank position, you engage these muscles in a sustained contraction, leading to increased strength and endurance over time. A strong core is essential for stabilizing the spine, improving balance, and enhancing overall functional fitness. Number 2. Improved posture. Maintaining proper posture is crucial for preventing musculoskeletal issues and promoting an upright, confident appearance. Regular planking strengthens the muscles responsible for supporting your posture, including the back, chest, shoulders, and neck. As these muscles become more robust, you'll find it easier to maintain an upright position, reducing the tendency to slouch and decreasing strain on the spine. Number 3. Increased metabolic rate. Engaging in a 1-minute plank may seem brief, but it can have a lasting impact on your metabolism. Planking activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to an increased caloric burn even after the exercise is completed. This post-exercise oxygen consumption, often referred to as the afterburn effect, can contribute to weight management and improved metabolic health. Number 4. Reduction in back pain. Lower back pain is a common ailment, often resulting from weak core muscles and poor posture. Incorporating planks into your daily routine can strengthen the muscles of the back and abdomen, providing better support for the spine. This enhanced support alleviates strain on the lower back, potentially reducing pain and preventing future discomfort. Number 5. Enhanced balance and coordination. A strong core is integral to maintaining balance and coordination in daily activities and athletic endeavors. Planking challenges your stability by requiring you to hold a static position, thereby engaging the muscles that contribute to balance. Over time, this can lead to improved proprioception and a reduced risk of falls or injuries related to imbalance. Number 6. Full body muscle engagement. While the plank is often associated with core strengthening, it also engages muscles throughout the entire body. Maintaining the plank position requires activation of the shoulders, chest, quadriceps, glutes, and even the muscles of the lower legs. This comprehensive muscle engagement makes the plank a highly efficient exercise for overall muscle toning and endurance. Number 7. Increased flexibility. Flexibility is a key component of physical fitness, contributing to improved performance and a reduced risk of injuries. Planking stretches and lengthens muscle groups such as the shoulders, hamstrings, and arches of the feet. Regular practice can enhance the flexibility of these muscles, promoting greater range of motion and reducing stiffness. Number 8. Mental health benefits. Physical exercise is closely linked to mental well-being, and planking is no exception. Engaging in a daily plank routine can stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. Additionally, the discipline and focus required to maintain the plank position can serve as a form of mindfulness, reducing stress and promoting mental clarity. Number 9. Prevention of exercise-related injuries. A strong core acts as a stabilizer during dynamic movements, reducing the risk of injuries during physical activities. By incorporating planks into your routine, you enhance the strength and stability of your core, providing better support during exercises such as lifting, running, or playing sports. This foundational strength is crucial for injury prevention and overall physical resilience. Number 10. Enhanced athletic performance. Athletic performance is often contingent upon core strength and stability. Regular planking can improve your ability to generate power, maintain balance, and execute movements with greater efficiency. Whether you're an athlete or a fitness enthusiast, a strong core developed through planking can enhance your performance across various disciplines. Number 11. Convenience and accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of the plank exercise is its simplicity and accessibility. It requires no special equipment and can be performed virtually anywhere, making it an ideal choice for individuals with busy schedules or limited access to a gym. This convenience ensures that you can maintain consistency in your fitness routine without significant barriers. Number 12. Time efficiency. Incorporating a 1-minute plank into your daily routine is a time-efficient way to reap substantial health benefits. Despite its brevity, this exercise engages multiple muscle groups and contributes to various aspects of physical fitness, making it a worthwhile investment of your time. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for those seeking to enhance their health without extensive time commitments. Number 13. Foundation for advanced exercises. Building a strong core through daily planking establishes a solid foundation for more advanced exercises and movements. Whether you're aiming to perform complex strength training routines or engage in high-intensity workouts, the stability and strength gained from planking can facilitate progression and reduce the risk. 2 bonus benefits. Number 14. Cardiovascular health improvement. Engaging in isometric exercises like planking has been shown to positively impact cardiovascular health. Regular practice can contribute to lowering blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Number 15. Enhanced functional fitness. Planking strengthens core muscles essential for daily movements, such as lifting objects or bending. This improvement in functional fitness makes everyday tasks easier and reduces the likelihood of strain or injury. Incorporating a 1-minute plank into your daily routine can lead to remarkable improvements in strength, posture, metabolism, and overall well-being. It's a simple, time-efficient exercise with profound benefits. Start today and experience the transformation for yourself. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite time of day to fit in a quick workout like planking? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more insights into simple yet effective exercises, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.